Yo, what's up? Kuya Renny Boy here. Sa mga naghahanap ng work from home job, comment sa baba, work from home. Sa mga naghahanap naman ng part-time role, comment sa baba, part-time. Meron ako share sa inyo na napaka-solid guys kasi pwedeng-pwede kayo dito kahit high school graduate, kahit wala kayong VA experience, and pwede kayong kumita ng up to $10 per hour. $10 per hour guys, and work from home job siya, and then non-voice po ito. Welcome po kayong mag-apply dito sa hiring na to. So napaka-solid guys kasi tag dito, more on AI na ngayon, di ba? I'm not sure kung ano yung paborito ninyong AI tool na gamitin. Let me know in the comment section. Comment nyo sa baba ano yung pinaka-favorite mong AI tool. So dito, tatry natin na madagdagan yung knowledge ninyo. Pero syempre, bago yan guys, yun, by the way, this is Kuya Renny Boy, and I'm currently on the mission to create 1 million jobs. Libo-libo na ang natulungan natin magkaroon ng work, and hopefully, ikaw na yung susunod. Ganun pa rin dito sa YouTube channel ko, puro work from home jobs, virtual assistant jobs, and yun, marami tayong sinasalba, marami tayong tinutulungan sa mga seminars, sa mga Zoom meeting natin, pwede rin kayong umattend dyan. And yun, laging paunahan. Kaya kung bago ka lang dito at gusto mo rin ng mga ganitong uri ng content, don't forget to like this video at i-click yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka pa sa mga paparating kong videos. Okay, so hindi na tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik. Bilisan na natin para makita ninyo kung ano nga ba yung tinutukoy ni Kuya Rene Poy. So dito guys, makikita natin kapag pumunta tayo sa website ng www.trainyai.work, makikita nyo, pag wala pa kayong account dito, parang online jobs PH lang siya. So all you need to do is to create your free account. Create your free account. Kung wala pa kayong niche or di nyo pa alam yung niche ninyo, just click VA niche. Pero kung gusto niyo ng Romecta, gusto niyo na agad mag-apply, just click work from home job alerts para makapunta kayo dun sa hiring agad-agad. Okay? Kapag walang account, create free account, select Philippines, and then currency, pesos, kung taga Pilipinas ka. Pero kahit OFW, iselect nyo na lang po ay Philippines para makatanggap kayo ng bonuses in pesos. So yun guys, click sign in kung meron ka ng account sa Reni AI. Oh, so ito yung dashboard ninyo. Okay, so ito yung dashboard ninyo. Makikita nyo rin dito yung mga na-hired na virtual assistant inside. And then all you need to do is to click work from home job alert kapag ready ka nang mag-apply. Pero kung wala ka pang portfolio, click nyo lang yung my portfolio. Meron tayong instant portfolio builder. Okay, and your Reni AI account is free for 30 days. So apply lang na apply. Click nyo lang yung work from home job board. And then scroll pababa, meron tayong hiring dito na AI Creative Specialist. Okay, so pwede ka daw kumita ng up to $10 per hour. Okay, so sabi dito to apply, if this opportunity feels like the perfect fit for you and you meet the qualification, we invite you to learn more about high-end accents team in the Philippines and submit application here. Okay, job description, we're looking for a full-time AI creative specialist to lead the creation of AI-generated product imagery, lifestyle scenes, and short-form video for our brands, including blah, blah, blah. You'll take our products from a flat studio shot to fully realized lifestyle photography and video creative used across our website. Paid social ads, email campaigns, and Pinterest. You'll own the full pipeline, writing prompts, generating images and videos with tools like Gemini or Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, Kling AI, VO, finishing them in Photoshop or Canva if needed, and assembling them into finished ad creatives. So a lot of people, marami na tayong tinulungan or tinuruan kung paano gumawa ng mga AI videos, AI images. So lahat po yan ay depende sa kung paano nyo gagawin yung pagpa-prompt. And kung hindi naman kayo marunong mag-prompt, pwede kayong tag dito, gumamit ng tinatawag na prompt for prompt. Okay? So kung hindi pa kayo masyado marunong guys, mag-explore lang kayo, pumunta kayo sa Gemini sa pag-create ng image, gumamit kayo ng Nano Banana Pro. When it comes to creating short videos, pwede kayo mag-practice using tag dito, arena.ai, pwede rin yung Midjourney or Kling AI. Kung gusto niyo ng free credits, meron sa labs.google or Google Veo. Pwede po kayo mag-practice ng tag dito ng mga video katulad nito, yung mga product imagery. Okay, pwedeng-pwede po yan sa Google or Labs Google. Okay? What you will do daw, generate photorealistic lifestyle product photography using AI image, using Gemini or Nano Banana. So, halimbawa, ito, Gemini AI. So, here. So, for example, gagawa ka ng image. So, testing lang to gawa muna tayo ng prompt, create me a studio shot, lotion, label it, for example, Renny AI. Yan, Renny AI. It's a whitening lotion, perfect for hyper pigmentation. Okay, the shot should look like it's floating, and the image should be ultra realistic. Okay? So, eto guys, bibigyan kanya ngayon ng image ng itsura ng lotion. Okay? So, kapag meron ka nang na-produce using Nano Banana or using Gemini, pwede mo na siyang ilagay dun sa mga binabanggit niyang video editing tools or AI tools katulad ng Kling AI, blah, blah, blah. So, in an instant, meron ka ng ultra-realistic na parang lotion na merong label as Renny AI, and then whitening lotion, blah, blah, blah. And then papagalawin mo yan using Labs Google, Kling AI, anything, lalong-lalo na kung gagamit kayo ng Sedance 2.0, napakaganda po nun sa mga video generation. So ito guys, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung example kung paano mag-produce ng image, AI image na product imagery using artificial intelligence. So binigyan ko na kayo ng tips ha. So ayan guys, actually dito sa Reni AI, kapag naging member kayo ng Reni AI namin, lahat po yan is matututunan ninyo. Okay? So yun, meron tayo ditong, sabi dito, finish and retouch every AI output in Photoshop, Canva, or Lightroom, fix enhanced edges, lighting, fabric texture, and any AI artifacts before delivery so nothing leaves your hands looking AI generated. So kapag naging AI creative specialist po kayo, kailangan marunong din po kayong tumingin ng mga AI slaps. When we say AI slaps, for example, binasa ninyo ng maigi yung mga nakasulat dito. And napansin niyo na parang merong mga spelling na hindi maintindihan or hindi mabasa or incorrect spelling, yan yung tinatawag na what do you call this? AI slap. Okay, so walang quality. But dito sa case ng na-generate nating image, napakalinaw, walang incorrect spelling, meaning to say maganda yung nagamit natin. This is the reason why they are suggesting Nano Banana Pro sa pag-create or pag-generate ng AI image kasi quality. Okay, so kailangan daw marunong ka rin mag-quality check every output against the actual product reference photos. You need to be consistent with the product kasi baka mamaya puti yung bote mo kanina tapos sa next generation mo ng video naging itim yung bote. So we need to be careful with that. Okay, ganun kasi sa AI. So kailangan stick kayo with your prompting, stick kayo with the original design, walang mababago, walang madadagdag, walang mababawas. Okay, so kailangan stick din kayo with the branding, with the brand voice, and you should check the print patterns, the color, scale, flange widths, fabric texture, anything about the product. Okay, so maintain brand consistency across every output, staying within each brand color palette, lighting style, prop language, and overall aesthetic. Okay, so yun, binibigyan na kayo ng scope of work or idea kung paano kayo mag-generate ng mga AI ninyo. So nabanggit din dito, animate hero images into short form video using Kling AI, Google Veo 3.0 or 3.1, or comparable image to video tools for use in Meta Ads, Pinterest, TikTok, and on-site PDP video. So it's going to be cross-posted sa iba't ibang platform. So kailangan alam niyo din yung mga aspect ratio and kung ano yung mga tawag dito yung mga rules bawat platform. You need to be careful. Write, test, and continuously refine your own prompts. So kailangan marunong kayo mag-check ng prompt, building reusable prompt, templates, and a library of looks that maintain visual consistency across each brand. So, ayan, halimbawa, nag-prompt tayo kanina, di ba? Sa Gemini, humingi tayo ng prompt. Actually, hindi ako nanghingi ng prompt eh. So, nagrekta na ako ng prompt, pero mas maganda is kapag gagawa kayo ng ganitong prompt, kukunin nyo yung prompt mismo dito sa product. Can you generate me the prompt that is being used in that image so that if I will generate the same image, I'll get same result. So, hihingi ka lang ng prompt kay Gemini or kay ChatGPT. Just upload the image para hindi kayo paiba-iba ng itsura. An ultra-realistic professional studio product photograph of a lotion bottle floating mid-air at the subtitle, it is at a subtle tilt above a marble countertop. The clear frosted glass bottle features a sleek pump top with a gold metallic neck ring on the bottle's clean white level featuring the brand name, blah, blah, blah. So kapag kinuha nyo daw itong prompt na to, then you just need to save it so that sa next generation or image generation nyo, same result pa rin yung makukuha ninyong image. So this is how you work with AI. Okay? So yun, at least meron na kayong idea kung paano gumagana ang artificial intelligence when it comes to product imagery, and then kung paano kayo magiging effective as AI creative specialist, and pwede kayo ma-hire dito sa role. So, hindi lang ako nagbigay sa inyo ng hiring, binibigyan ko na rin kayo ng tips kung paano ninyo malalak yung ganitong uri ng mga hiring. So, base dito, hindi naman sila nagre-require ng so much experience kasi kailan lang naman nauso yung mga Sedans 2.0, yung mga nano banana na yan. So, ngayon na meron na kayong alam, it's your time to leverage, it's your time to conquer this type of client. Kasi pag nag-apply kayo sa Reni AI, sa Online Jobs PH, sa Upwork, sobrang daming naghahanap ng mga UGC content creators, ng mga AI creative specialists like this. Tapos AI yung gumagawa ng trabaho, hindi na kayo masyadong mapapagod. Kasi kung sinasabi dito na you need to polish everything using Canva, you need to polish everything using blah, 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 nasa prompt nyo po yan. Minsan, hindi nyo na kailangan i-polish kung solid kayo mag-prompt. And kung kayo po ay nagpa-prompt na din, yung mga ipapolish ninyo, instead of using third-party apps, you can just do it inside the image editing or AI tools itself. Doon na po kayo mismo mag-edit. Hindi na kayo lalabas ng ibang tools. Okay? So sabi dito, you need who you are, proficient in Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or Lightroom. So for retouching lang yan. So kung kaya mo namang i-retouch using yung AI tool na ginagamit mo, hindi mo nakakailangan itong Adobe Photoshop. Okay? So yun, excellent English skills with attention to detail and meticulous proofreading of any text or copy in your creatives, a genuine sense of style, and taste in interior design, home decor, and product photography. You understand why a room looks expensive versus AI generated stock. So I already mentioned this a while ago that you really need to be careful with your AI generation image because a client can notice if it's an AI slap or not. Okay, so 40 hours per week, full-time position, comfortable working with our team via email, Slack, or Zoom. So this is going to be their communication platform. Highly preferred but not required. Experience in Airtable, Notion, Slack, and Google Drive. Okay, so yeah, hopefully makapag-land kayo ng client inside the Reni AI. Napakaraming hiring pa dito. And kung gusto nyo ng freelance habang nag-aantay kayo sa loob ng Reni AI, meron kami tinatawag na RGP program. Wala nang interview, onboarding agad every Tuesday and Saturday yung orientation or Zoom meeting namin. Kung willing kayo mag-try, pwede kayo mag-comment sa baba ng Reni AI. Don't forget to subscribe kasi marami kaming binibigyan ng work from home jobs. So patingin ako ng mga nakasubscribe dyan. And syempre, don't forget to share this video. Okay? So marami pa tayong paparating na video. Hopefully, ikaw na yung susunod na ma-hire. Tandaan nyo, kung wala naniniwala sa inyo si Kuya Reni Boy, naniniwala ako na makakapasa ka. So yun lang guys. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page as well. We have Reni AI and Kuya Reni Boy Official sa Facebook. Kita-kits sa next video natin. Shoutout sa lahat na nagpap-shoutout dyan. God bless us all. See you there.